Here I have Panamera 4S from 2017, and let me go through all locking and convenience settings on your vehicle. So basically, if you are using the Porsche car from 2017 and similar years, it should look almost the same. This is the Porsche infotainment system, and in order to find the locking features, you need to navigate by using this left bar. Choose here the car. Under car, you can choose the control. And here, if you have enabled the control, you've got access to the following sections. Let's select here the vehicle, the first one, and as you can see, under vehicle, you've got this full list of available settings that you can customize. One of the main sections here is this locking. Let's choose locking. As you can see, you've got here a few features that you can use. So let's start from the top of the screen, and as you can see at the top, we've got here the door unlocking. So what it does, when you press the unlock button on your key fob once, it will unlock all doors at the same time. Right now we've got selected this all doors features, but we can choose here also the side specific, so you can unlock all the doors on the side on which the first door is unlocked, or we can just unlock the driver door. So it could be useful, but in my case I like to unlock in one time all doors, so I will choose the first one. We've got here also the comfort access. So this allows you to open or close the windows at the sunroof remotely using the key fob, usually by holding the unlock lock button. So it's quite useful. You can open and use the sunroof by using the button. You can just use the sunroof, or you can use the sunroof and windows. Alright, we've got also here fold-in mirrors. As you can see, this is the third option. So what it does, the side mirrors will automatically fold inward against the car body when you lock the vehicle. So when you park in the city, it's quite useful. It protects your mirrors from being hit by other cars or cyclists while parked. So I highly recommend to have this fold-in mirrors feature. Let's also here select the lock while driving. As you can see, once you start driving and reach a certain speed, usually around 15 kilometers per hour, all doors will automatically lock. So it could be also quite useful. This is a standard safety feature to prevent doors from being opened from the outside while you are stopped in a traffic. We've got also here the comfort entry. As you can see, you can enable or disable the comfort entry here by using this switcher. This makes it easier to get in and out of the car. When you turn off the engine and open the door, the steering wheel moves up and seat moves back to give you more room. You need to note that when you start the car, everything moves back to the safe driving position. So I enjoy this feature a lot. So it's really comfortable to have this feature enabled, to have this comfortable entry to your car. So I think that's it. We just talked through all locking features on this car. You can check out if you have this feature in your Porsche and let me know in the comment. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.